Hey, my name is Sarah Kate. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today, I'm gonna give you my personal review on this particular product, Alto Advanced. I've been a medical esthetician for over 15 years, so I have strong opinions on products and services and all the things, and I do not get any kickbacks for doing this, just sharing my information with you to help guide you through this crazy sea of products in order to find the right one for you. So I did pop a link in the description where you can get this product. This is new, it came out this year, 2022, and it's vitamin C, vitamin E, plus 17 other antioxidants. Okay, I'm gonna twist it up. This is something that I love about their packaging. So you twist it up, and I've been using one pump. One pump is enough for my whole face. This is also the only vitamin C that I've ever used that doesn't cause me to break out or have any skin issues. So I'm a huge fan. I will be continuing to use this, and you'll notice it is that kind of orangey color. It's not oxidized, that's actually turmeric. So this vitamin C particularly is excellent if you deal with any redness or ruddiness in the skin, and the clinical studies were very, very impressive, which if this is something that interests you, see, it rubs right in. And this is the first product you put on in the morning. So you would wash your face, you would pop this on in the morning, right? It's also the only vitamin C on the market that targets intrinsic aging. It naturally, of course, it's an external product, so it's targeting, you know, all of the environmental issues, any oxidative stress that you come across, but it's very rare that it's actually dealing with internal aging as well. That's new, that's cutting edge, and I really love not only this product, but this line. Skin Better Science is hands down, and this is just my opinion, my favorite pharmaceutical skincare line because it's super effective, super innovative, but also gentle enough to where it's not causing any of my clients to flake and peel and to have to halt using certain products, right? It's not adding to their problem. If anything, it's actually just supporting and supplementing what they're doing in the office and other treatments they're doing at home. Now, I just came off listening to a podcast, and I'm going to actually put that in the description as well if you want to listen to it. But Dr. Serena Wiles, a dermatologist at Mayo Clinic, she actually specializes in regenerative medicine. She is a specialist in that field, and she talks about how the biggest way that you can prevent aging, aside from using an SPF every day, that's a given, right, is using a vitamin C in the morning and using a retinol at night. So stay tuned. I've got another video coming your way with some great AM and PM options. So you would use your vitamin C in the morning, your retinol at night, turn over your dead skin cells, and 1-2 punch. You're gonna age beautifully. All right, look out for that. And if this information was of value to you, give this a thumbs up, maybe share it with a friend. Have a good week, and I'll catch you soon.